Welcome back. It's now time for your lunchtime sports. Now, Jamaica's Sunshine Girls have moved up one place to number 3 in the world following their recent exploits at the Commonwealth Games in Birmingham, England. The Jamaicans, who took the silver medal at the Games after losing to Australia in the final, have moved ahead of England. However, they're only 1 point, rating point that is, ahead of the English with 184 to 183 points. Commonwealth Games champions Australia, they lead the rankings with 197 rating points ahead of New Zealand 184. South Africa complete the top 5 with 156 rating points. The Jamaicans are the only Caribbean team in the top 10 with Trinidad and Tobago at 11 and Barbados at 14. The Sunshine Girls will be back in action next month when they play away to New Zealand for the TVJ Trophy from September 17 to 21. Some cricket now. Jamaica's Brandon King is now looking to cement his place in the West Indies team as they prepare for the T20 World Cup in Australia later this year. King made 53 and shared in a 102-run opening stand with Shamar Brooks to help spearhead a West Indies victory over New Zealand in the third T20 International at Sabina Park on Sunday.
Experience is a big factor when it comes to my game. I feel like I understand myself more and what I need to do to score runs for the team. So I would say the mental aspect of it for me has been improved, and that has helped me.
Meanwhile, after losing 4-1 to India in their previous series and prior to the 2-1 defeat to New Zealand, King feels that the lack of experience in the West Indies setup and the quality of the opposition contributed to those defeats.
Obviously, as professionals, we have to find our own motivation to perform, and we're playing for the team at the end of the day, so we want to win all games. As you said, these are two top teams that we've played against. They've won more games because I think they've done the right things for longer in the games, and we can adapt part of that into our game, and that's what we try and did today.
The West Indies and New Zealand will now turn their attentions to the 3 one-day internationals starting on Wednesday in Barbados. Now, Jamaica's under-19s were closing in on first innings points against the Windward Islands on the second and penultimate day of their second-round match in the Cricket West Indies Rising Stars tournament at Cumberland in St. Vincent and the Grenadines. The Windwards were 170 for 9 in their first innings reply at lunch after resuming on 69 for 2. Kurt Murray was 22 not out. Captain Sanjay Walker has so far taken 3 for 29 for the young Jamaicans. Now, on yesterday's opening day, the young Jamaicans had posted 265 all out thanks to an even century from Stephen Wedderburn. Sean Roy also made 46. To the courts now. Jamaica Basketball Association President Paulton Gordon is hoping that local players will showcase the best of their talent at the Elite One Caribbean Basketball Summer League so as to get professional opportunities overseas. The league, which is currently underway, saw Storm beating Rivers 109-105 and Horizon beating Waves 76-61 in the opening games on Sunday. Trellin Triplett and Rashid Maynard were the respective players of those games.
There are numerous opportunities for jobs, not necessarily only the USA, Australia, parts of Asia, parts of Europe. So if we can create that platform for them, then the opportunities will be there for them to have contracts overseas.
Well, that's all the time we have left on the shot clock, and I am Jeremy Brown.